Hi, today in front of me UleFone Armor 17 Pro, and I'll show you how to activate Hey Google of Google Assistant option on this device. So just to do that, we should first launch Google application and then tap to the right upper corner. Then go to the settings, tap to voice section and click to voice match. Just to activate Hey Google, we should click once on the swatcher, and after that tap to next. Read the description, yes I agree, tap to continue, not now, and here we can see that the Hey Google option successfully activated. If you want to change the voice model, you should just click here and to tap to retain voice model. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you like this video, don't forget to leave thumbs ups and to subscribe.